Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book a doctor appointment on Canada. So all you have to do is head over to medimap.ca, and from this webpage, all you have to do is start by searching a symptom, specialty, or clinic name. You have an option here to book a dietitian, physiotherapist, massage therapist, chiropractor, acupuncturist, and a lot more. But if you want a simple appointment, you can just head in with walk-in medical clinic, then just input your postal code or address. Then once done, just click on search. From here, you should be able to see walk-in medical clinics or doctors near your postal code or address. So in our example, this is the closest walk-in medical clinic that we can visit. So to book an appointment, just click on book now. You will then be redirected to their website and just click on book now. So in this specific web page, we have an option to book by service, but you can also choose from this panel. Say we're going to book for mental health follow-up, just click on it. Then next is select the available schedule and time. Then just click on continue. Then just sign in to proceed with your booking appointment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!